Second set. Exclusive na ang tulunan na ito paglas. Kapanguna, Latong Pasino. Oy, oy, oy. Latong Pasino na from tulunan. Followed by Mac Ace. Kulot, Robert Nakalaw. AJ Tanal yun. Latong Pasino yapon ang kapanguna. Followed by Mac Ace of Buluan. Followed by Robert Nakalaw from tulunan. Followed by Tanal yun. Followed by Kulot. RM Nonoy. Naulinis na tingin na guys. Naukasaya ka din na. Oh, second spot na. Robert Nakalaw. Bakit? Third spot. Kulot. Fourth spot. AJ Tanal yun. Fifth spot. Kulot. Glenn sa 6 spot. Robert Nakalaw na ang kapanguna. Followed by Latong Ajay. Glenn from Lang. Robert Nakalaw kaya po na. Followed by Latong. Followed by Bakes. Followed by Kulot. AJ Tanal yun. Glenn. Hoy, napatay ang motor ni Nonoy. Second spot, Ace. Third spot, Latong. Fourth spot, Kulot. Napatay ang motor ni Nonoy. Glenn. 6 spots sa Glenn. Okay, second spot. Third spot, Latong. Fourth spot, Kulot. Lapar na isa. Fifth spot, Ajay. Glenn. Robert Nakalaw first spot. Okay, second spot, third spot. Latong Pasino, fourth spot, Kulot.
Ako nga, sira sa motor niya. Atras na gamay, nakapayong. Atras na dyan.
Hello, Noy. Nakalagas pa si Nonoy. AJ Tanal yun. Para na ang first, second, third. Hoy, Latong, lapaw, 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 lapaw. Lapaw, lapaw, lapaw. Wala, lapaw si Latong wa. Galapaw si Latong wa, power ay. First spot, tama na first spot. Second spot, Bakit. Third spot, Latong. Okay, finish na.